Welcome back to our Clip Studio Paint tutorial series. In this video, we're going to walk you through the process of installing and setting up Clip Studio Paint on your device. Hi everyone, I'm Manga Samte and let's get started with today's tutorial. The first step is to go to the official Clip Studio Paint website. Links will be provided down in the description box. And once you arrive on this website, go on over to downloads and you'll see options to download either a trial for up to 6 months or to download the latest version for your license. You'll also see various options for various platforms or versions of Clip Studio Paint, whether that's for Windows, for Samsung Galaxy, Android tablets, for Chromebooks, Mac OS, iPad and the iPhone. On the right side you'll see the annual monthly plan update subscription pass. So this is for people who have subscription plans, or if you just want a perpetual one-time purchase of version 3, which is the latest version that we're going to be getting today, version 2 and then version 1. So if you get these, what would happen is that you would not get an update pass on these. You would just get version 3 and that's it. When version 4 comes out, then you'll be able to download that again. You can also log in and check your current plan that you are on. So I have an annual subscription plan, so for that I'm going to go to this one and then I'm going to download for Windows, as I already have the version 3 for my Samsung Galaxy tablet. So I'll be downloading this. It's going to take a while, so we'll speed up and then get back to you once the download finishes. The download process may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Once it's finished, what you can do is locate the downloaded file where you have downloaded it and double click to start the installation process. With the download done of the file, locate the file where we have downloaded it, double click to start installation. And just follow the on-screen instruction to complete the installation. You may be prompted to choose the installation location and agree to the terms and conditions. Since I have version 2.0, it's getting updated to version 3.0. So yours might look a little different, in that if it is a new installation, then this might not show. Whereas mine does, because I already have Clip Studio Paint installed and I'm upgrading from version 2 to version 3, the newest version that has just been released. And with that, the update is complete. Now yours might say something different, like installation complete, whereas mine is an update from version 2.0 to version 3.0. Once Clip Studio Paint is installed, you'll need to activate it with a serial number or log in with your Clip Studio account if you're using a subscription plan. If you want to know the updates that has taken place, then this is a quick summary of it. We'll close that for now. Let's maximize the interface. And this is the default interface. This is your newly installed Clip Studio Paint. As you can see, this is version 3. And this is the latest version of Clip Studio Paint. If you purchase a perpetual license, you will receive a serial number via email or through the Clip Studio website. Enter the serial number when prompted during the activation process. If you're using a subscription plan, simply log in with your Clip Studio account credentials to activate the software. You can do this by going to the Clip Studio launcher interface, and once you open this, you should automatically be logged in. And from here you can manage your materials, your projects, and everything else. And that's it. Clip Studio Paint is now installed and ready to be used on your device. In the next video, we will take a closer look at the Clip Studio Paint interface and how to customize it to suit your workflow. Thanks for watching. If you're excited for this beginner Clip Studio Paint tutorial series, then please like the video, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel to get notified when the next video comes out. I will see you in the next video. Cheers!